Hello everybody and welcome to Hi Arabic, and this lesson is Arabic letters part 2. Last time we studied all the Arabic letters and we said that we have 28 letters in Arabic. Today we will be talking about the Arabic letters but in more details. We will see how to write the Arabic letters. So let's start now. Before we said that the Arabic letters are kasr. So it means that all the letters of Arabic language should be connected with each other. So every letter should be connected and joined with a letter before it and after it. Okay. So now we will see that we have three forms of each letter. Okay. The first form of the letter will be in the beginning. So this one is the form of the letter when it comes in the beginning of a word, and this when it comes in the middle of the word, and this one in the end of the word. But why do we have such three forms in Arabic? I will tell you why. Because before that, the Arabic language is a cursive language. Every letter should be connected with each letter after and before it. And if we have just normal letter, just isolated letter, that's difficult to connect each letter to the one after it. So let's say, for example, I just took some letters, so it's difficult to connect these letters. Bring another letter. See, so how it's difficult actually to connect the letter. So that's why Arabic letters have three shapes of the letter. One in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. Okay, so let me explain that, but in another way. So let's say that all the letters have hands. And when we want to shape a word, these hands just shake. So let's try now to write a word in Arabic. So this is the letter. So this is the letter kaf, and this is in the beginning of a word. So it has only one hand because it will catch like that. Okay. But here there is no need for a hand because there is no letter before it. Okay, so C. Okay, so this is the letter ta. It has two hands. Why? Because there is another letter should be connected after it. See? So now we have kaf, ta, ba, and this word kataba. Okay? So every letter has two hands. When we write words, these letters should be connected. Forms of the letter, and the change of the forms of this letter is not big, as you can see, and we just cut a little bit from the letter in order to be ready to connect with the letter before it or after it. So let's say, for example, ba. Ba is the shape of ba is still the same, so as you can see here, but and also the dot also the same. We don't change the complete letter, we just cut a little bit of the letter in order to be ready to connect with the letter before it or after it. But we keep the major shape of the letter. So let's see here, if I zoom here, so let's see here, for example, the ba letter, see the shape, and see the shape, yes, still the same. So we just cut this part. Okay, so we just cut this part, see? So we just cut this part in order to make it ready to be connected with the letter after it or before it. Okay, let's see another example. The ta letter, see the ta, if I just hide this, okay, so it will be the same. See, two dots here, two dots here, the same shape, but we just removed this ending of the letter to make it ready to connect with the letter after it. And the same applies if it is in the if it is the last. See, if it is the last, okay, if it is the last letter in a word, okay, and this applies to all letters, as you can see here. As you can see here, tha, see, all the letters. Okay, and here let's go also to jim, also the same, but here in jim also this is the ending of the letter. We just cut the ending, okay, and because here we have this, so we just made it straight. See, as you can see here. Okay, ha, ha. Okay, the same applies to all letters. So this is very easy for all the words, for all the letters, as you can see. All the letters the same. Here we have a mistake. Now this is enough for today. Thank you very much and see you next time. Goodbye.